Welcome back to the Aunty from New York channel. In this video, we will show you how to make restaurant-style chicken masala quickly and easily in your own kitchen. You can enjoy it with any kind of rice, roti, paratha, or bread. From your everyday meals to your special holiday occasions, you can always impress with this recipe. Take a look. Start with 2 pounds or 1 kilogram of whole chicken chopped in medium-sized pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of onion paste, 2 tablespoons of chopped green chili, 1 cup of whole milk yogurt. Marinate thoroughly and set aside for 1 hour. Over medium heat in a large pan, mix 1 cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of ghee. Start with 2 cinnamon sticks and 4 white cardamom. Transfer your chicken marinade into the pan and cook over medium heat. Stir occasionally. In about 20 minutes, the chicken should have a nice brown color. Over low heat, add 1½ cups of fried onion. Add 1 cup of water if gravy is almost dry. 1 cup of equal parts chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Mix slowly to prevent the chicken from breaking apart. Let's do a quick taste. Delicious. Add 1 more cup of water to build up your gravy. Cook slowly over low heat. Finally, decorate the top with fresh coriander and mix them in. Your dish is ready to serve. Look, the fragrant aromas has already attracted our first hungry patron. All done. Now let's prepare for the photo shoot.